2023 Kia Niro display removal. With pry tool, pull this vent out. Screw 1, screw 2. Remove this panel, expose screw there, remove it. Remove the screw that's right there. Pull this panel down, just like so. Remove this screw from underneath the steering column. Pop this up, you can remove that screw there. And then there's one over here on the other side, right there. And if you look right there, there's a screw right there holding in the display. And there's one equally on the other side. Probably not gonna see it, that little shiny spot right there. And once you do all that, the display should slide up like so. There's hooks. It'll come off like so. And then the head unit is back there.